Have you ever been excited to start a new project, only to be hit with an error message that stops you in your tracks? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If you're facing the cannot find module at Ionic/app scripts error, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I totally get it. You're new to Ionic, and you just want to follow the documentation and get your project up and running. This error can feel like a major roadblock, but trust me, you're not alone. Many new developers encounter this issue. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user recently shared their experience. They created a sample project named Super and ran the command ionic serve in the project directory. Instead of launching their app, they were met with the error message. Cannot find module at Ionic/app scripts. Sound familiar? Let's work through this together. So what does this error mean? Essentially, it indicates that your Ionic project is missing a crucial dependency, which is the app scripts module. This can happen for a few reasons, such as an incomplete installation or a misconfiguration. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. You won't want to miss it. To resolve the error, the user should first ensure that they have the latest version of Ionic installed. This can be done by running a simple command in the terminal. Next, the user needs to navigate to their project directory. This is where the Ionic project was created. They can do this using the terminal. After navigating to the project directory, the user should install the missing module. This can be done by running another command in the terminal. Finally, the user can try running the project again. They should use the command ionic serve to start the development server. If everything is set up correctly, the user should see their Ionic application running in the browser without any errors. Fun fact, did you know that the Ionic framework was first released in 2013? It's come a long way since then, helping developers create beautiful mobile apps with ease. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user faced the same issue and found a solution. They deleted the Node modules folder and then ran the command npm install. This resolved the error and their app started working. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. One alternative solution comes from a user who faced similar issues. They decided to downgrade their Node.js version. They removed the previous version using a command and then installed the last stable version on the 6.x branch. After downgrading, they still encountered errors in their original project. However, when they created a new project, the command ionic serve worked perfectly. They also noted that they didn't need to run npm update or install app scripts again, but found it helpful to run commands with sudo for permissions. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. One user faced the same issue and found a solution by updating their app scripts. They ran the command to install the latest version of @Ionic/app scripts, which resolved their problem. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution from another user suggests a few steps to resolve the module error. First, they recommend cleaning the npm cache using the command npm cache clean force. Next, they advise installing the latest version of app scripts with npm install @Ionic app scripts at latest-save dev. Finally, they suggest globally installing Angular CLI with npm install g@angular/cli. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution from another user suggests resolving the error by using a specific command. They recommend executing cnpm install followed by ionic/scripts. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your dependencies updated. Regularly running npm install can save you from many headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to run your Ionic project without any issues. Remember, keeping your dependencies updated is key. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into Ionic development.